So as you can see, cleaner wood, dirty, slick wood, and this is not slick. The coefficient of friction has definitely raised quite a bit. We have a very low coefficient of friction. See how that's just coming off with just my foot? Wait till I hit that with more washer. A lot of this is technique. You know, years and years of practice and you get good at this. You want to keep the same distance throughout your entire stroke as you're going down the wood. You want to make sure you're the same distance to the wood. When you come into the wood, you want to come in slowly, gradually, and then you want to arc in and keep it all the way through. When you stop, you want to arc out. The only time you get hash marks is if you abruptly stop in your cleaning process without coming up off the wood. If I get caught up and it jerks down and gets close to the wood, it can cause a hash mark. That's where hose management comes into play, but you're always a lot more careful with a deck or something very nice versus, you know, this, which is just a simple clean. He's going to put cars and things on it, but we're actually going to clean it, brighten it, and we're going to seal it so that way it looks nice, it lasts longer, and he can hold this wood a little bit longer. He bought it used, so it's got some issues, but this will definitely keep it looking longer, nicer longer.